Oh na na, bum 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 boy. Oh na na, na 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 na. Oh na na, bum 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 bum. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh them up be on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way.
Hi guys, this is your girl Tammy here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back on your screen today, and I am looking forward to sharing with you all that I've been doing. I still have a lot more to do and a lot that I have been accomplished. I've been hauling y'all. Yes, I'm guilty. I have not shared any hauls, and I really don't feel good sharing them. It's like, all right. But anyway, so I bought a lot of stuff and I've been decorating and doing things around the house, and you'll get to see all those things room by room, I promise, room by room. Okay, so first though, most important to me in this home was the lighting, and that is because it was hideous. A contractor had bought this home and apparently they took all the vintage lighting out except for one piece. And they put all this little brush-shaped bubbing in the ceilings of all the rooms, and it looked like a boob, a whole boob. So and I looked at the price of those things. They're running anywhere between $5.99 and $9.99. So I don't want that kind of bub in my home. And I did some changes to fix that problem. I don't know what's going on with the lighting in my room where I got this gray tint on my camera. I've been recording this video for like 4 hours trying to fix this cloudy gray tint. Don't know how to do it, and just really getting over it. But anyway, I am ready to share with you my lighting. Let me just, before I go into it, tell you that my taste is vintage, old school. So I got modern, I got mid-century, I got glam, I got antique, all combined in my soul. It's in my soul. So that's what my house is made of. And I even got a little bit of the African style in me too. So I got five different species or designs in me. So there's no breaking the rules. Home is what you make it and how you want to make it. As long as it's pleasing to the eye, you can get away with it. So with that being said, don't be trying to jump on a trend of all glam, everything silver. Don't jump on a trend of everything farmhouse. And don't jump on the Moroccan style where everything is tassels and fringe and stacks of colors and comforters and rugs on top of rugs on top of rugs. And definitely the new trend that's out there is everybody's going restoration hardware. Save your coins, build on what you have, and I promise you'll be happy in the end, because everything changes every year. So if you continue to change your house every year, you're gonna be broke, girl. Definitely. So anyway, let's just get right on into this video. I'm sticking with the theme of the house. Now, my house is an 88 build, so it gives you this beachy vibe. But since I don't have a pool in the backyard, we're not going there. Maybe next year, 2 years from now, if my husband will give me a pool. I doubt it. But anyway, if it don't give me the beachy vibe, it definitely give me the vintage vibe. So I decided to go vintage in this home. I didn't want to go against the grade of the home. I didn't want to go against anything. This is not a type of home. This home build is not a type of home that you're going to put crown molding all over or wainscoting, none of that stuff. It just doesn't fit this layout. It just doesn't fit it. So I want to be true to the style of the home and keep it vintage. So let's go on into this video vintage way. And so with that being said, all of my lights are vintage except for the ceiling fan that I put in it in. All right, love you guys. I'll see you soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below and subscribe and tell a friend to do so as well. All right, bye. Okay, you guys, let's get right down to the nitty gritty and tell you where I got these gorgeous lights from. I love it. I'm thrilled. I'm enjoying the recessed lighting as well. But let's talk about this lighting over my door. It is 6 bulb lighting. I'm using an Edison soft white 60-watt light bulbs. This chandelier is called the Golden Lighting, and it's a Sputnik chandelier collection, and it's only $140 and still available at HomeDepot.com. Unfortunately, there will be a link for this lighting in my living room. Absolutely love it. She did not change the color of my wall or my art. As you can see, it still blends that natural grayish color in the wall that looks slightly green, but slightly gray and slightly khaki. This is also a golden light bulb. She's 8 bulbs, and she's a Sputnik chandelier collection, only $180. And right now, she's currently sold out. But I'll still leave a link, and maybe you can get on a waiting list for her or put her in your wish list if you're interested in buying her. Now my dining room. Oh, this light. Oh my gosh. This is also a Sputnik chandelier collection, but it's called Light Society. This beauty holds 18 bulbs, and she has a nice brass finish. Looks like a spear, like a science project. It's also giving me that great mid-century vibe, vintage vibe, everything, and it's a great flow from the front door all the way to the dining room. I absolutely love it. And now I'm able to put taller things on the table, have taller candles, and before the other lighting, it was too low, so I could not burn candles underneath the lighting. And this is the perfect height for what I need in this space. And if I needed to move my table, people can comfortably walk under this chandelier. Absolutely obsessed with that lighting. She's so beautiful and not too expensive. She was only $178.99, and to me that's affordable lighting for chandeliers because they're super expensive. Now, as far as the bulbs in this particular one, these are the Edison light bulb. They are warm lighting. They're 60 watt, and you can get them in a 4-pack of $60.99 each. I also bought this QUOIZEL Norfolk Brush Nickel light. It's a wall mounted flush to the ceiling light. It's not considered a chandelier. It's just kitchen lighting. I like it. I'm obsessed with these lightings. I have so many. I have about 6 packs of these lights that I've used all throughout my entire home. And it's look like a moon. These lights are dimmable. They go from cool tone to warm tone. Okay, so in my den, I bought the Harber Breeze ceiling fan. This ceiling fan was only, I think, $129.99. I love the color that matched my couch and my furniture. I love the ring light on it, and it reminds me of the beauty ring light, and it's super bright. Plus, it's a tiny fan. My ceiling is very low, so I didn't want anything too big, and I have the ducts that I have to worry about. In my den, I also have a bar, and I'll show you that in another video once I'm finished working with it. But I use the vintage oversized light bulbs. I love these Edison light bulbs, and they are in the color of amber. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.